Welcome back, YouTube. Right now you see the ingredients that I have on my countertop are vegetables that I like to blend to get the nutrients and the benefits from these vegetables. Sometimes our bodies can be in an acidic state, and I would prefer, and I'm sure many others would prefer, their bodies to be in a more alkaline state. Acidic is where the body is more prone to disease, and that's when inflammation starts to take place. We want to make sure that our bodies is more alkaline than it is acidic, and these vegetables is how I like to do it. I have all alkaline based fruits and vegetables out here. We have the lemon, we have lime, we have the organic greens, that's the spinach, the dandelion greens, we have some cucumber and some celery stalk. Now all of these vegetables are great for bone health. Let me just cut this. Right? It helps to minimize inflammation. Again, it helps to bring the body back to an alkaline state, and it helps to detoxify the body from any inflammation again. So the dandelion greens, which I'm going to show you in a few, but right now I'm cutting the cucumber, which is great for bone health. Helps to hydrate the body as well. I'm loosely touching on the benefits of these veggies. I don't know if you guys notice, some mornings you may wake up, your face look a little bit puffy, and you don't know what that is. That could be due to taking in foods that are more acidic. And this is the way I like to just balance out my body from a cheat meal or just not taking in enough veggies. One thing I always mention, your body will tell you when things aren't functioning properly. And I did a video a few years back talking about my skin and how it's important to stay consistent with consuming alkaline based veggies because the skin benefits from it. It helps to prevent the blemishes, the breakouts. All the veggies in here, we have cucumber, celery, dandelion greens, the lemon, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, which also helps to balance out the insulin levels from any insulin spikes if I had like a cheat meal with something that was really high in sugar. And again, I mentioned this a while ago, our bodies really tend to give us signals when we aren't in the best health, and it shows up in various ways. For those who suffer with a disease that's completely different from someone who is normally functioning one way, and then today they're functioning completely different, and that could be due to what we're consuming. So I try to watch what I eat. I'm not saying that I'm the best in terms of eating clean and eating healthy, but I really do monitor what I consume on a day-to-day basis. And if I am going to consume my veggies and then I forget to consume the right amount of veggies for the day, instead of chewing them, I can blend them here in my NutriBullet, and I don't really have to stress about consuming a whole bunch of veggies throughout the day. All right. Yeah. So top priority is taking care of health. Don't ignore the warning signs. Whenever your body is telling you something isn't right, something isn't right. And that is my veggie drink. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. For the most part, I would consume this, before I forget, I would consume this drink at least once a day. It's not realistic for me to consume it 2 or 3 times a day because I'm not always home blending. And another thing is this expires after 30 minutes. All of the potency of the vitamins and minerals does expire after 30 minutes if it's left at room temperature. So I'll make sure I'll take it down right away so I can get all the benefits from the veggie shake right away. And if anything that's left over, if I wanted to store this for another day, put it in a freezer and then I can defrost it the next day. Please don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe. Let me know what is one of the things that you find that you struggle with when on your health and fitness journey. And take care. I'll see you next time.